Hello, everyone. It's February 23. Just a few weeks ago, we released our 6th issue of TAUKO magazine. On the cover, you will find the Aurelia dress. And here on this sualong, you will get to make it with me. The Aurelia dress has big puffy sleeves, and the fit gently embraces your hips and your waist. It has full lining and a vent in front. My background is in fashion design. An Aurelia dress was originally made for our sustainable fashion brand. It has been on the runways in Milan, Paris, and Berlin, and it has been one of the most liked designs I've ever designed. I'm really happy to share this design now with you and with the sewing community, and so that everyone can make their own version of the Aurelia dress. The inspiration of the design comes from many different sources, one of them being a German choreographer called Pina Bausch. I have a photo from the 60s of Pina Bausch where she's wearing this boat-necked, very puffy-sleeved dress. The name Aurelia comes from Aurelia aurita, which is a jellyfish living in the Baltic Sea by the Finnish coast. There are many areas on the Baltic Sea that are endangered, and I wanted to emphasize this endangered and very unique habitat by naming the dress according to this jellyfish, Aurelia. Join me for making one of the gorgeous Aurelia dresses in the different episodes where I will show step by step how to make it. First, you should check the tips and notes that are there. I will also show you how to measure and find your size, giving you a little bit of insight of the tools I use for making the dress and how you will get on for the sewing when the magic actually starts. I hope you enjoy a lot making your Aurelia dress with me.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.